Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to import products from Printify to Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to log into your account. So after successfully logging into your account in the upper right corner, now you'll be greeted in this home page where you can take a look at all the left sections right here, such as home, orders, and products, where you can get started with accessing our store options. So let's go ahead and see how to get started. Basically, we have two ways. The first is the manual way, where we can go into the product section right here, and after opening up the product section, it's going to open up this new main menu where we can take a look at all the products we have. And what we can be using guys is the import option right here. So if you click on import, this is going to enable you to add a CSV file that you can go ahead and import, so you can get your CSV file with your products from your Printify store. And after doing so, just add the file right here, upload it, and this is going to add all the products right here directly into Shopify. The other way guys is the automatic way, and we can do that by clicking the add apps option right here at the left side screen and then opening up the Shopify App Store, as you can see right here. This is going to open up this Shopify App Store where you can take a look, and at the top of the screen we have the search bar. So we can use the search bar for searching for Printify. After searching for Printify, you can see that this is now going to give us this result right here, which is Printify Print on Demand. This is the app we can use for accessing our Printify within Shopify. It's going to enable us to add our products and so on. So what you can do is click the install button right here and just proceed with the installation steps. So go ahead and connect your Printify account, click install, and after authenticating and authorizing this application, it's going to appear right here at the left side screen under apps, and you will be able to access it and get started with importing your products. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.